Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to change your location on Hinge for free. Let's get started. First, let's change the location displayed on your profile. This affects the city or neighborhood that others see on your profile. Step 1. Open the Hinge app. Tap your profile photo icon in the bottom navigation bar. Step 2. Tap the pencil edit icon next to your profile picture to enter edit mode. Step 3. Scroll down to the My Vitals section, tap Location. Step 4. Use the map interface. You can pinch and zoom the map, then drag and drop the pin to a new city, or tap the compass icon to use your phone's current GPS location. After completing these steps, tap the back arrow to save your changes. Now your profile location is updated. Next, if you want to change the location of people you see in your discovery feed, meaning which city you want to search for matches in, follow these steps. Step 1. Go back to Hinge's discovery page, tap the filter icon, sliders icon, in the top left corner. Step 2. From the options list, select My Neighborhood. Step 3. Use the search bar to enter your target city, or simply drag the map to the location you want to explore. This sets your new discovery location. Hinge will now recommend users from that area. And that's everything you need to know about changing your location on Hinge. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.